take more of me because I'm the main man.
More of you, right?
She's the main man, I'm the chef.
Okay.
Without us,
No, that's me.
How many main men are here?
That's me. So just focus.
Okay, but when they say he's cooking or let him cook, like they're referring to me all the time.
Thank you so much. The song means a big deal to me. God did a lot to make this song come out instead of what was meant to come. And thank you so much for humbling me in this experience and showing me that you're really in control and that what you want will ultimately succeed and the plans you have are good. Please bless the shoot and just make it everything that you want it to be, and may this touch lives and heal and help the way that you have healed me through this song. May it be beautiful and epic in everything that you plan for it to be, and may we always remember that it's to you the glory. Amen. Thank you.